Here's a chance for Marner right in. And, it's being waved off. The horn sounds, but play's going to continue here. Off the post, but not in. They'll be checking that
trigger finger. Smith just trying to track Marner as he goes to the backhand and clearly off the back. I thought he might have been able to knock it in on himself, but great job of coming back to the front. Marner, the backhand forehand, beats the goaltender, but unable to get it past, and then it's
coming into the building tomorrow night. Final minute, period 1. Michael McLeod on the puck. Plays it back. Graves, shot, score! Ryan Graves let it rip. Bastian was in front. The Devils have tied the game.
Fourth line again. Good play at the half wall by McLeod. Patience, he cuts back. Looked like he wanted to shoot that puck to the net.
Take it here, cutting in front. Hughes lost control in tight. Now Hischier shooting, scored! Vejmelka got a piece. Nico Hischier with the opening goal. The Devils on the board.
He hit the post the first time a couple of shifts ago, but he makes no mistake.
Now, you got to be very careful here if you're under Frankie Edgar, because you can get wiped out, as we saw in the Cup Swanson fight, where he just wiped him out.
Sets the puck out. Took on Yellow, then put him off stride. In for a shot. Scores! Wow, what a play by Lucic. All the way for the first goal.
Shea Quick makes the save. Still loose. It's Kotkaniemi on the rebound, and he scores! Carolina, 37 seconds in, up 1-0.
What a way to start, and if you're Kotkaniemi...
Stamp on this one. Jonas Donskoy, mano a mano on Marc-Andre Fleury. He scores! Hey, hey, what do you say? Donskoy has scored. The Kraken win in shootout.
what a game that was.
Suzuki will open up the scoring. Up for Anderson with space. Anderson shoots and scores! Josh Anderson, what a shot! His third of the season. It is 2-0 Montreal.
Josh Anderson has come out